Hello everyone, this is Alex from Asianda. So today we're going to introduce our new products on the ISE 2020. So this is our door. It's 55-inch with the high brightness, 20,000 nits. So it will be perfect product to display or just to show your advertising for the outdoor. Waterproof is the IP-65. It will be a wonderful product. So you see the light sensor and the control room for the remote control. And also you can see that it is a very beautiful design for the very secure door inside. And also we have the cover to make it secure. And also if you just just open this, and very easy to open. It is the yes, here, just you will see this one. It is with the air conditioner model, so you can see that the fans, the control center, and also here is very important for some of the air conditioner loop, so it can support very extremely weather like the -22, like up to like 40 or 50 degree, maybe also can perfect to design. So it is the 55-inch for outdoor Asianda. So it is a perfect time for the outdoor display for some of the small business. Thank you. If you want to get more information, please search the Asianda on Google. Thank you, everyone.